Basically guys, it's done already. Now we're gonna put the top part or the green part of the onion leaves as toppings. Just sprinkle it everywhere, but not on the floor, okay? Hello guys, this is Chef Mario Castillo again and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I will cook a very simple chicken recipe for all you chicken lovers out there. So, join me. Now guys that the wok is hot, we'll put in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. By the way, I'm using used oil here. Coat the wok with oil. Put in the chicken wings. And just stir fry it until it will be golden brown. This one guys, this thingy that sticks on your ladle, and it's just skin or some au jus of the chicken. So you just need to put it back. It's more additional flavor. Now, I think this is enough for me. I'm happy with this color. Now we're gonna put the onions. Personally, I stir fry the onions first so that the garlic will not burn, or you know what I mean. Fry it a little bit for a few seconds. Then put in the garlic. And stir it up. Really speaking, skin of the chicken, I love this. And this is the exciting part. The ingredients. Listen carefully. 1.5 spoon or ladle of soya, or soy sauce in English. Lower the heat, medium heat. Oyster sauce, around 2 to 3 ladles or tablespoon. Basically, having a ratio of 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 ratio of soya and oyster sauce. Fish sauce, around 1 ladle or 1.5 ladle or tablespoon, whatever you're using. Put in the red Thai chili. It's up to you guys. You can add more chilies if you want it spicier, or you can lessen or remove the chilies if you don't want it. It's just optional. Two tablespoons of white sugar. You can also lessen the white sugar if you want it not that sweet. A dash of black pepper. I'm using the ground black pepper. You can use the whole or the crushed black pepper. It's up to you. Stir it again. Pour in around a half cup of water. Stir it again and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, guys, so we just need to simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes or less. Basically, I want the sauce to reduce into half and it will thicken by itself. So we need to put it on a low fire or low heat. And we'll just wait. Now that the sauce is thick and it's already reduced into half, we'll put in the veggies. Baby carrots. I'm using frozen veggies because here in Greenland we are limited on fresh vegetables. Frozen haricots, you can also use fresh. Stir it up. Cook it for a few minutes. Stir it up. And simmer it for a few minutes, around 5 to 6 minutes. Let's have a taste. Woohoo! Lovely. Put in the white part or the end part of the onion leaves. Sorry about that beeping sound, it's the washing machine. I'm just gonna turn it off. Put in the Chinese cabbage. And just cook it for around half a minute or maybe 15 seconds so that you will maintain the crispiness or the crunchiness of the white or the cabbage. Guys, if you want the color to be richer, you can put the brown food coloring. Add a little bit more, but not too much that it will be too dark. It's just to enhance the color. For me, I'm happy with this, so I'll stay with this. we're gonna put the top part or the green part of the onion leaves as toppings. Just sprinkle it everywhere, but not on the floor, okay? And that's it, guys. We're done. Let's eat. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to share it and subscribe to my channel, Chef Mario Castillo. Until next time, peace.